Get there together. Gwelfor Community Centre, Holyhead. By the entrance there are signs reminding you to social distance and wear a mask. Visitors will be allowed in by appointment only. The entrance door is very heavy. Children and vulnerable adults should not use the door without assistance. Once inside the building, on your right is a table with hand sanitizer for you to use. You'll also be required to present your contact details for the track and trace system. You can do this by scanning a QR code on your phone or filling in a paper form. Some events may require visitors to follow a one-way system. The centre staff will inform you as you enter the building if a one-way system is in place. As you exit, there is a hand sanitizer to your left and a sign on the door reminding you that the door is heavy. Those using the men's shed space outside will also need to keep a social distance of 2 meters away from others. If you would like a hard copy of this video, please contact Age Cymru Gwynedd am Môn.